And when I tell you, this kept me so beautiful and fresh and coconut and just everything, like luxury. Like it just was so sexy and pretty. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to talk about some coconut fragrances. Better yet, some easy reach coconut fragrances that I think that you would enjoy. So if you're interested in seeing what my picks are, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go live. But that's okay. Just subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hi, new family. Welcome back. I just hope you all are doing really well whenever you are watching this video. I truly appreciate you for even stepping in and watching. Just make sure you subscribe. But let's get started. So I have some easy reach coconut fragrances that I think that you would enjoy. Whether you have this in your collection and you want to revisit, I have my top 5 easy reach. Like I don't have to think about it. I just pick it up and go. And so we're just going to get right into it. So first up, I have, if you know it, this is Harajuku and this is Pop Electric. Now, this baby right here, when I tell you this is such a, now look, okay, back it up. To me, you have to like a soapy coconut, okay? So if you like a fresh soapy scent, but with coconut mixed into it, this baby, I think you can catch this baby at like TJ Maxx, at a Marshall's by now. Like I feel like this would be like very reasonably priced. It's easy reach. You can grab this and go anywhere. Like, oh my gosh, it is so good. Okay, let's go over the notes. So we have top notes, whipped cream, coconut. Middle notes, we have some floral notes. And base, we have some musk and woody notes. This is such a beautiful soapy coconut that just makes you feel refreshed, ready to start your day, and makes you also feel just beautiful, like simple and beautiful, right?
You think I'm beautiful?
Now, the packaging of it is what it is. It's fun, you know what I'm saying? But if you don't like the packaging, sis, just put it like this. I mean, do you really want to expose? To each his own, right? But for me, I don't mind this packaging. Y'all know how your sis is, but I would highly recommend you get your coins on this affordable option as a coconut scent. Okay, moving on. Next up, I've talked about this a time or two, or 20, 25, 2020, not 2020. I've talked about this so much on this channel, and it's none other than Mancera Holidays. When I tell you this coconut right here, I got a compliment on this one, and the girl said I smell like Christmas, and I was like, oh my goodness, I'm thinking I smell like coconut. This one, when I tell you, it is projecting, it stays on your skin all day. And to me, you can take this from day to night. Like this can be your day scent. This can be your sexy night scent. If you got a date and you want a coconut fragrance, I just smell, this is, oh, y'all just know how I am. This is so good. I love this fragrance. Like, people that don't love this, comment down below. I would love to know why you don't like it.
Why?
But this is so good to me. Anyway, let's get into the notes. So we have top notes of coconut bergamot, middle notes tier flower, ylang ylang, some C notes, base notes. We have some vanilla pod, sandalwood, and white musk. If you like a good coconut, that good like creamy sandalwood, it is such a creamy coconut. And to me, it is definitely an easy reach. Because again, day, night, you step out into town, yeah, you gonna get compliments with this baby right here, okay? Moving on. Next up, I fell in love with this fragrance on my trip. I took this, I took the travel size on my cruise that I had earlier this year, and I fell in love. And if you're not new to the channel, you know what I'm talking about. But I am talking about none other than the 7 Virtues, okay? And this is Coconut Sun. And when I tell you the word Coconut Sun is absolutely what this smells like. It brightens up your day. It gives you those sun rays vibe. Like if I wanted something to just wake up with and just refresh me and make me happy for the day. Like I just like, oh, I want to be in coconut, but I want to be so happy.
Bring me down, the love is too high.
I'm reaching for Coconut Sun, okay? It just brightens up your day, and it is so pretty, y'all. This is such a pretty coconut. I cannot get enough. Now, 7 Virtues, it is a clean brand, so this is not going to last like hours upon hours upon hours, but if you get a travel size, you can always respray. You can always kind of re-up on your fragrance, but I highly recommend that you get this. I got mine from Sephora, and I feel like I got mine during the sale. Oh yeah, I did. I got mine during the Sephora sale, and I got the full bottle. But I would highly recommend, if you want to wait till the next Sephora sale, cool. I think that's in the fall, sis.
It's too late.
But, you know, to each his own. But when I tell you, this is such a perfect coconut. And even though it doesn't last so long, you can pair like that Nest coconut Belize with that oil, that coconut oil from Nest. You can pair that with this and have it last longer. Whatever you all have to do, like this is such a great option, even if it doesn't last long. So let's get into the notes for Coconut Sun. So we have top notes of coconut water, citrus. Middle notes, we have sea salt, we have frangipani, we have Egyptian, jasmine, rose, and base of vanilla. So good. I would highly recommend this all day, every day, any day, okay? Moving on. Next up, honey in the coconut, run in the coconut. Oh, I had to, now I don't know where that came from, but I had to bring this back. This was, I'm telling you all, when I got this fragrance, it was during the COVID time. And when I tell you, this kept me so beautiful and fresh and coconut and just everything, like luxury. Like it just was so sexy and pretty and luxe to me. And I am talking about none other than, this is Tom Ford, and this is the Soleil Blanc, but this is the Eau de Toilette version, okay? If you have the Eau de Parfum version, cool, sis. But at the time during the COVID shutdown, I got the Eau de Toilette because of the pricing. I'm gonna keep it real, right? We got the Eau de Toilette because the pricing was the price. But, and it was a blind buy, so I definitely didn't want to get the Eau de Parfum. Okay, you feel me. Some of y'all. But this, no matter what, is such a great option. This takes me like not only luxe, this takes me to like vacation vibes. So if I want to do a coconut and vacation vibe, and I'm just like, oh, I just want to sit out by the pool or just lay out on the beach, like this would be what I grab for my easy breezy day. Quick grab and go. Oh, I just want to go shopping in the, in the Champs-Élysées.
What's that fleur? De Florence.
I don't know. I don't know where that came from. I don't even know what that means. It probably means nothing. But if I wanted an easy breezy day, this is it. Let's go over the notes. So notes that we have for Tom Ford Soleil Blanc, we have top notes, bitter orange. We have some bergamot in this, some neroli in this. We have some pistachio. We have some cardamom, pink pepper. You definitely get that pink pepper. Like pink pepper in the opening, peppered it up. You get middle notes of tuberose, ylang-ylang, jasmine. You get some base notes of coconut, vanilla, tonka bean, benzoin, amber. This is such a sexy vacation vibe type of fragrance. Highly recommend if you do not have this in your collection and you cannot afford the eau de parfum, sis, get the eau de toilette. It's quite all right. Trust me. It's cool. We good.
Wait. Everything's okay now. I mean, this was just a little misunderstanding. We're cool now, right? We're cool, right?
Okay. Moving on. Next up, unfortunately, this is one that is discontinued and you might not be able to find it, but maybe you'll be able to find it on like a Macari or something. But I just have to talk. That's why I left it towards the end, but I just have to mention it because it's so true. Like, this is my easy reach coconut. So it's so true. I just got to tell you. You know, you can't find it. This is Aqua, Allegoria, and this is coconut fizz. This is from Guerlain, okay? This love it. Okay? Love. When I tell you I left this last, but honey, I love coconut fizz. I love this coconut. This coconut also gives me that vacation vibe, but I feel like I am at the sea. I feel like I'm at the ocean holding a coconut.
Looking good, Billy Ray!
Feeling good, Louis!
And just like, you know, I have a coconut and it's the coconut water in it. And I got my big old coconut and I'm sipping it and I am by the ocean. Like, this is that vibe. This is so pretty. When I tell you I've gotten compliments on top of compliments on the compliments, this is so pretty. And it pairs with so many, like if you want something fresh, like it can go with that. If you want something sexy, it can go with like this. You know, besides it being alone, this can pair with a lot of beautiful fragrances and just bring it up. Or it is so good. So hopefully you all have this in your collection. Hopefully you can like maybe search for it to see if you can get it. But I would definitely put this on your list to see if you can add this to your collection if you do not have it. Trust me when I say it is a winner. And I will just say, if you like coconut, you can absolutely blind buy this if you see it. If you see it, don't pass go. Click add to cart and let's keep it going. Let's move it on, okay? Okay. So let's go over the notes. We have top notes, coconut, nectar. We have some bergamot. We have middle notes of water, fruit, freesia. We have some sandalwood and tonka bean. So good. Amazing. Okay. Highly recommend. Beautiful fragrance. Okay. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, I got to take it to Bath and Body Works, coconut. And I have to take it to Victoria's Secret. And this is liquid coconut. These body sprays are absolutely perfect if you want to pair any coconut fragrance with something else. These are absolutely perfect. And you see where I am on this. And y'all know I don't put no dent in nothing. I love this one. This is Vicky and this is BBW, okay? But they are both so good. So if you have these in your collection, bring them out, sis, because it is coconut. We doing coconut season. Coconut. You got your coconut? You like, sis, do I got a coconut? Nah, I ain't got no coconut. I got these kids and this job, okay? Coconut. Girl, I'm not even on vacation right now. But maybe you are, okay? But you know. Anyway, these are so good. Highly recommend you get these body sprays. If they are available, these are amazing for coconut season, honey. Okay, moving on. Well, that's all. That's all, family. Hey, what are your favorite easy reach coconut fragrances? I would love to know. Comment down below. Let me know your scent of the day. Okay, maybe you don't like coconut, and that's quite all right. You like, sis, I don't even do coconut. That's cool. Let me know in the comment section what's your favorite. You know, maybe we can talk about maybe a note that's your favorite, whether it's like apple or, you know, lemon, or we can go over all the notes if you want to. Just let me know. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to, oh wait, make sure you subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Okay. And make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to... yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.